Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope my little ones are doing good and they are helping their mommies at home too. So you are watching Little Fox Learning. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more activities. You want to learn more, right? So go like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Today I am here to tell you why EPL exercises are important for your kids. EPL stands for Exercise of Practical Life. That means the exercises, the activities, the actions which are done by the adults in the environment are called EPL exercises. So we have to introduce these actions and activities in early years to our child. It develops confidence, independent concentrations, and they really love to do their work themselves. They really get happy. Believe me, if you make them do, let's do sweeping today, let's do dusting today. So they are so excited of doing all these things. Let's fold your clothes. Let's do something excited. Let's wash your toys. These are the exercises which make them learn how they can manage their things by themselves. And these things should be done in the early stage. These little activities make them do their things in future by themselves. It's really help you. So start doing these things with them, as I am posting some of the EPL exercises to you. Stay tuned for the more videos. Firstly, you are going to learn how to fold napkins, and after doing this practice, you will definitely going to fold your clothes and keep it in your cubbies. So let's start. For this activity, we need this small napkin. Keep it like this. And now how to fold it? You have to hold these two corners and join it with other two corners like this. Now this is the one fold. Now how can you do the second fold? Hold it from these two corners and join it with the other two corners. Look, I have folded my napkin. It looks good? Hope you like it and you will do this practice at your home. Bye! I am here to do one more EPL exercise which means spooning. What we need for spooning? We need 2 bowls and small size of spoon. You can fill one bowl with lentils, beans, rice, anything like that. So what you have to do is hold the spoon like this. Hold it like this. Now you have to transfer the bowl. Tell your child to use only one hand. It's a very nice activity for eye coordination. It builds their concentration too. Like this. Then you have to keep your spoon back like this. So hope you like this video. Please try this activity with your kids. It's a very nice activity. Today I am here to tell you how you can do sponging activity with your children at home. So what we need for sponging activity? We need 2 bowls. One bowl filled with water and one should be empty. One sponge and a napkin. So let's begin with the activity. Lift your sponge like this. Dip it, dip it, dip it. Lift it again. And then squeeze. Nice. Dip it. Lift it. Squeeze it. It's a nice activity. I enjoyed a lot doing it. Then wipe your hands nicely with the napkin. Keep it aside. Hope you like this video. Please try this activity with your children. It's a very nice activity. It helps them improve and develop their finger muscles. Bye.